as we are facing the serious outbreak of this pandemic disease, coronavirus, we all are forced to stay indoors. We can't go out and meet our friends and families. We can't go out and have social gatherings. We can't go at our worship places. We can't go at churches. We can't go at mosque. And I know we are missing the church bell sound or the azan sound from the mosque. You know, we all are experiencing this pain of separation from the things we love the most. I would like to draw your attention toward the most isolated site in the world, and it is not an any ordinary site. It is one of the most important Islamic sites, that is the Jannatul Baqi, the grave of our Prophet's daughter. Can you sense this pain? Every time we visit Medina, every time we visit the Mosque of Holy Prophet, and when we see the Baqi cemetery, and when we are not allowed to go there, when we are forced to stay away from the cemetery, it hurts. Can you sense this pain now? We feel the pain of separation, of being away from the Holy Prophet daughter. Can you understand this pain now? Can you understand our struggle? Can you understand our fight with the Saudi regime to remove the restriction and allow us to visit Waki? And you know what? This isolation is not due to any coronavirus, not due to any disease, not due to the fear of spreading of any disease. It is just because of the restrictions imposed by the Saudi regime. It is due to their orthodox ideologies, which does not allow us to visit the grave of the Holy Prophet. We are not allowed to enter the cemetery. We are not allowed to stand there and send the salutations upon her. We can't even stand there and express our grief. We can't even shed tears at our Holy Lady. The security guard, they have employed the security guard at the Baki to prevent us from visiting the daughters of Holy Prophet. Can you understand this pain now? I hope when the world will get over with this pandemic, inshallah, just Allah remove this disease from all of us, remove this evil away from this world, and keep us all safe. But after this outbreak, I am expecting from the world leaders to consider our fear, to consider our pain of separation, and force Saudi regime to remove the restrictions from the Baqi cemetery and allow us to visit the most important heritage site for us, the most important holy site in Islam, that is the grave of our Holy Prophet. Rebuild Al Baqi.